So how do you optimize your LinkedIn profile to maximize your opportunities? If you're looking to maximize your opportunities in this new season, LinkedIn is by far the greatest place to be. It's where all of the opportunities lie. And it's not just getting a job, but it's just making yourself more marketable to attract opportunities. So this video is definitely for you. If you want to know how to take your LinkedIn profile from looking like this to looking like this. I did swagger jack that, by the way. So let's jump right into this, and I'm gonna go pretty quick today, so make sure you take notes. The first thing that you need is imperative is that you have a profile picture. Not having a profile picture in 2022, it just screams troll. It's almost a little creepy. We don't know who you are. If you're looking for opportunities, but you're not willing to put yourself out there, you're doing yourself a disservice. There are a lot of reasons why people don't have profile pictures. Sometimes they feel like they need something that's a bit more professional, or maybe they just have a lot of stuff going on in the background. Well, I've got this really cool tool I'm gonna show you. It's free. It's called Profile Pic Maker. Profile Pic Maker is a really cool AI, artificial intelligence tool that will take your profile, or that will take your picture and remove the background, but also give you options for designs. So we're on this pfpmaker.com, and I'm just going to take this random picture. This picture is actually pretty good. This is actually my LinkedIn profile picture, but I'm just going to drop it in, and it's going to generate that photo or that profile pic options. And I think there's going to be like, I don't know, 10 different options here, and I'm trying to run through this as quickly as possible. So we're probably going to skip a lot of this part. Okay, so once the profile picture has been uploaded, you can see we have a whole bunch of different options that you could choose. And then basically, if you want to choose any one of the pictures, you just find a design that you like, and then you download it, and you're good to go. Step one, having a profile picture. If you have a picture that has a bunch of backgrounds, you just go to pfpmaker.com. No more excuses. Just make sure you have a nice headshot going on. Now, you will also want to have a banner. Now, for banners, you can do Canva. There's also this website called Hotpot AI, hotpot.ai. I'll link this in the description of the video. But basically what it does is it allows you the opportunity to choose a banner based on just your style, your vibe, your profession. There's quite a bit here, and you can tailor it to your liking. You can go in and just add your own things into it. I'm trying to make it to where you don't have to do a bunch of design work. We just want to plug and play. Profile picture maker and LinkedIn banner. That's going to help you incredibly with optimizing your LinkedIn profile to maximize your opportunities with very, very little work, if at all. So the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a really nice bio. The point of this call here is to help you to optimize your LinkedIn profile without having to do a whole ton of work. So we're staying on the artificial intelligence bandwagon here, and we have this website called resumeworded.com. And what happens is, they got a little thing going on over there. What happens on this website is that you have the opportunity to have a LinkedIn summary generated for you based on your role. So we're on this website right here. Again, we got profile picture maker, LinkedIn banner, and now LinkedIn summary generator. And then I could just click on this little drop down here, and you'll see there's a bunch of different things here for changing careers, freelance, marketer, recruiter. Look at all this. This is going to eliminate the need for you to have to spend hours writing, let me look at the camera, hours writing a LinkedIn summary. Now, for example, we'll just choose experienced professional, and then generate a new LinkedIn summary. Let's see what happens. So now, and here's the disclaimer here, use this as inspiration. We don't want to swagger jack it completely. We just want to have a template to where you can go in there and just kind of clean it up and maybe personalize it to you. Now, you can always go back and rewrite it and make it super personal. Right now, we are just working to get you started, to get your LinkedIn profile optimized so you can start attracting people and opportunities to your profile. Resumeworded.com. I'm going to link this in the website. This is really cool to use because the summary is probably one of the hardest, at least most time consuming aspects to optimizing a LinkedIn profile, I know. Next, you are going to want to ensure that you are starting to follow different topics, different interests. Now, we're actually on the LinkedIn website here, and I haven't made a LinkedIn in a long time. So let's see, we got the intro, additional name, pronouns. You can put your headline. Your headline's very important, okay? Right here it just says Illustrator. You don't want to use Illustrator or one word, okay? Your headline should be 3 to 5 words max, and it should be something that says what you do. For me, I draw illustrations that rock. I don't know, I'm just making that up, right? And then current position, you can put whatever your current position is, and then you put your industry, whatever your industry is, education, and then I reckon that is it for that. So we'll go ahead and save that piece. And then how we doing on time? Okay, we're doing great on time. Profile section. So this is new. So we talked about the about, we talked about the profile photo, we talked about the education. For your positions, at least 3 to 5 years of experience that they're looking at. Career break. This is new. They didn't have career break back when I started LinkedIn in 2007. I believe I started LinkedIn in 2007. I'm certainly a power user on there, although I don't use it like I did. My inbox is blowing up all the time. Skills. So this is important. When you go to the skills, 93% of recruiters who are looking for opportunity right now are focused on soft skills. The main soft skill is going to be communication. If communication is something that you struggle with, a super simple hack to improve your communication, it's a little bonus tip here, is to take any book and read that book out loud for 10 minutes a day. If you do that for 10 days straight, you're going to sound much better in any situation, in any conversation, certainly in any opportunity that you may want to interview for or check out. Certainly look at soft skills on your profile. Okay, what else do we have here? For add profile section, what's recommended? Okay. Featured, licenses and certifications. Okay, licenses and certifications, right? Like even if you've taken training, so now they have an add courses. Make sure any training you took, even if it's a training on YouTube, if it's from an official brand, if it's from a Microsoft, if it's from a whoever, right? Like make sure you put in that you took that training. You want every bit of your experience on this LinkedIn profile in order to maximize your opportunities, okay? And then make sure you ask for recommendations and also ask your people that you know to endorse you. This is just going to help you a lot. Volunteer experience is always great, even if you volunteered. A lot of times we volunteer for things and don't think about it. But if you went and volunteered for the church, something in your local community, walking dogs, volunteering to walk dogs, you can start your own volunteer service where you walk dogs. Dog walkers make a lot of money. 100,000 they make, you know, so something to look into. But there's a lot of other things here, but I reckon the best thing you can do to make your LinkedIn like really, really like amazing is make sure you have your profile photo and your banner. Also ensure that you have your headline, no more than 3 to 5 words of what you do. You want to make sure that draws people in. You're going to be following topics that you're interested in, follow people, and then ask for endorsements and recommendations. So you're going to add a profile picture and a banner. You're going to do your bio, make it keyword rich. We got that LinkedIn summary generator for you. Then you're going to add your experience, at least 3 to 5 years of experience. LinkedIn has an option for gaps now. So if you have some gaps in your employment, you can explain that away. Make sure you add your interest. You start following topics that you're interested in, start following people who are leaders in those topics, and then ask for endorsements and recommendations. Every significant opportunity that I've created or experienced, it started with a conversation from LinkedIn. And it's not just about jobs. Like I was able to secure a spot on the news. I was able to do an art show. I was able to go work with Grant Cardone for a little bit, doing some of his little TV shows. And all that happened because I reached out to people on LinkedIn. And the more you reach out to people, the more you're active on there, the more opportunities you're going to receive. So if you're looking to go to a new job, or even if you're just looking to diversify your income and attract more opportunities, having a LinkedIn profile with a really nice picture and a really cool background and a really nice headline, that's really really going to help you to attract opportunities. And also, we wanted to, with this video, make it easy for you and kind of remove the barriers as far as the tool to make your profile picture and the LinkedIn banner and the summary generator, along with the 3 to 5 words for your headline. I mean, that's all you have to do is 4 things, really. Bottom line is tons of opportunity out there for you. If you want to maximize your LinkedIn, go ahead and do your thing. Again, this video comes from Quit Your Call Center Job. Again, a lot of people don't know what to do. Well, what do we do if we quit? You know, this is going to prepare you for if you quit or if you're laid off, you have this safety net. You want to get active in there, just start networking with people and just keeping a presence. You know what I mean? Because you never know when an opportunity will arise. It might not be right now, but it's like you're sowing seeds by keeping your profile updated. Use this LinkedIn to your advantage. New episodes, Art of Being Freed, every Friday. If you got anything out of this video to help, please like so more people can see, because this can help a lot of folks. Make sure to subscribe, because we're going to be continuing to talk about personal development. And then art, we're going to sprinkle some art in there as well. So if you want to see more videos like this every day, follow us at Freed Podcast on Instagram, posting every day on there except for Sundays. I've decided to take Sundays off. And then if you want to see more art like the art we have in the background here, you can follow at Call Center TV, posting monthly on there. Finally finished with this Thundercats that I've been really wanting to do, and I'm adding some AI to the background, to the sword. It's gonna be really, really cool. That's what I'm sharing on Call Center TV this month. And then we're just gonna keep rocking it out. So if you've had thoughts of quitting your job, if you're working in a call center specifically, or a place where there's a lot of micromanagement, you're going to want to check this video out right here. This is 3 reasons why I quit my call center job. This is an old video, 7 years old, but a lot of the principles still apply. So until next Friday, this is your boy Freed with the Art of Being Freed. Peace.